Hello everyone, welcome to Heaven Nicole Cooks. Today we're going to be making pizza balls. So you're going to need 2 cans of crescent rolls. I'm also using pepperoni. I have the turkey kind because it's my favorite. We're going to also need some mozzarella cheese or whatever you have on hand. Also, I do have marinara sauce for dipping. It's just off to the side. So I'm going to start off by spraying my pan so that way the crescent rolls do not stick. It's kind of funny because my pan disappears. That happened in editing. I did not mean for that to happen. It was like a crossfade effect. It's kind of hilarious. So just bang that crescent roll can on the side of your counter and it will pop open. That's my favorite part of this whole process, I think. And I'm just going to roll both of those cans out and you're going to see the perforated lines. And if you will separate all those little pieces of dough, it makes a triangle shape. And I just used the knife to kind of help me, because sometimes the dough will stretch, which doesn't really matter if it stretches a little bit because we're just going to be stuffing it with pizza filling and then pretty much balling it up anyways. So now I'm just going through, I'm adding about 4 to 6 pieces of pepperoni to each triangle piece. And I'm showing one up close before I speed it up so that way you guys understand. So just add your pepperoni like so. This particular day my hands were very shaky, so I apologize. And then I'm going to get a little bit of mozzarella cheese and just put in the center. And you really need 2 hands, so I have to lay it down on the counter and whatnot. And this would be really fun to do over summer with your children or whatnot when they're out of school, because this way the kids can get involved with helping prep the food. This is Friday night's meal, and this is perfect for the weekend. So I suggest you guys going to the store today, getting some stuff, and doing this over the weekend. It's going to be amazing. So now we're just balling it up, as you can see. So essentially, I just stuff the middle, I pinch the sides closed, and I ball it up, okay? And now I'm going to just put all the pepperoni out on all the little triangle pieces of dough, because I like stuff to be super fast and easy and simple and to the point. So I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. That is my goal as of currently. And now I'm just adding some more mozzarella cheese on top of all that. And then I'm just going to roll, pinch, and ball it up. And I cooked mine at 350 degrees for only 10 to 11 minutes because the back of the can suggests a higher temperature, I believe it did. And it suggested like a little longer time, I believe. I can't remember exactly 100% because this is like 3 days later when I'm doing the voiceover, so I apologize. Point is, babysit your crescent rolls because everybody's oven is different. You know, I used to live in an apartment where the oven was completely crazy and psychotic and bipolar, and it would totally kick up on its own and burn my biscuits every time or whatever. Anyway, these are really good, so now I'm just going to dip one. We did bake them. They're completely done. They should look like that. They're perfect. They're bite-sized. This would make a awesome appetizer. I'm just going to cut this open and show you guys. It's still piping hot, so, you know, I was burning my fingers in the process, but it was worth it because it's filled with cheese and pepperoni that I love. So please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.